Label lifting is a common headache for many customers, and it is often caused by weak adhesive performance. Today, we will testing the peel strength of self-adhesive stick. I'm cutting out the test samples right now. First off, we have to clean the substrate before we start any testing. Once it's fully cleaned, stick the sample onto the substrate. And make sure it lies perfectly flat with no bubbles or creases. We will let them sit for 20 minutes. Alright, we're ready to run the test now. Strong holding power. Excellent adhesion on steel. More importantly, this strong and stable adhesion can also work well with the materials you use in your own applications.